I'm Miss Price, and this is Ellie. And today we're joined again by Judah and Jack, who are going to help us with our next letter, which is the letter
C.
C. Today we're going to look at our Christmas Advent calendar and find the letter C. Can you find it for me, Jack? Nice. What is the word for letter C?
Cookies.
Cookies! We are going to later decorate our cookies that we baked yesterday. We have them ready to go. Now we're going to talk about the letter C. C says, like
Cookies.
All right, we are going to look in our box for our Christmas books.
Today we have Christmas Cookie Day.
Yeah, Christmas Cookie Day.
And we have the Christmas Cookie Case. Cookie Case.
Yep, the Christmas Cookie Case.
And
Scooby-Doo
we
book.
have Instruction Site on Christmas Night.
Great job.
Okay.
Construction site on Christmas night. Can you find some C's on here, Ellie? So we'll always go through with our child and find the C's. Did you find them? Yep, there's one, there's two. Good job. Now we're going to read Christmas Cookie Day, written by Tara Knudsen and illustrated by Pauline Seward. Cookie day, time to bake. Aprons on, lots to make. Bowl and spoon, cookie mix. 2 cracked eggs, butter sticks. Pour and add, liquids flow. Stir it up, cookie dough. Plop it down, roll and pat. Cut in shapes, thin and flat. Christmas tree, reindeer bell, snowman star, cookie smell. Angel wings, drummer boy, candy cane, cookie joy. So at this point in the book, I like to ask one of the kids, where is the candy cane? Can you find a candy cane? Yeah, good job. Because that makes it a little more engaging. It keeps our readers focused. Oven's hot, in they go, watch them bake, rising dough. Timer dings, wait and wait, ready, set, decorate. Frosting fun, scoop and spread, candy canes white and red. Bright green trees, yellow stars, shake, 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 sprinkle jars. Pick one out, take a seat, finally, time to eat. Soft and sweet, cookie yum, lick your lips, one last crumb. Cookie plate, works of art, cookie love, happy heart. Cookie gifts made with care, pack them up, cookie share. Family, friends, spread some cheer, bring them treats every year. Christmas time, spirits bright, family hugs, cookie nights. And we love this book because we love sharing our cookies. Now we're going to look at our letters and see what our new letter is. We have
C.
C says, great guys. C and little c. Big C and little c. They look the same, but one is smaller. All right. So
One is bigger.
one is bigger and one is smaller, but otherwise they look the same. What we're going to do to test the knowledge of our child is grab our flashcards and go through quickly.
A.
A, great.
Says A.
Great. And what
B.
says?
B.
Great. And what about this one?
C.
Great. Says? Great. And I'll mix them up a little bit. All right, what about this one?
B.
Great.
A.
Great.
C.
Awesome. So we can see that our toddler has retained the knowledge. We've learned another letter. And we do the same thing with the little letters. We have a new sight word today. Do you know what it is, Ellie?
Big.
Big. And we're going to sound it out with our child. B says,
B.
I says,
A.
and G says,
G.
great. All right, so we have B. Ig. Big. Great job. And we're going to test our child on their sight words now that we have 3. So what's this one, Ellie?
Big.
And this one.
I.
Great. And this one.
A.
And she knows them. So we are good to go. And if they don't know them, we like to put them aside. So if Ellie said, this is something else, like maybe it or something, they just couldn't, or they didn't know. We put it to the side, and at the end, we'll retest it. We'll say, no, this is I am going to decorate some cookies. And so then we'll put it to the side and bring it back afterward and see if they can remember it. And if they don't know it after that, just save it for the afternoon, maybe work on it one more time, or save it for the next day, and they'll start to catch up. All right, we are going to decorate our cookies.
Yeah.
We finished our cookies. They look amazing. Jack, Judah, and Ellie did a great job decorating them. We learned C is for cookie, and it was an awesome way to incorporate our letter learning into our holiday traditions that we already do every year. Man, these look good enough to eat. I think I might... You want that one? And you too? On that note, thank you for watching, and have a great day. We'll see you next time.
Good enough
Bye.
to eat.